Happy Thursday. Kape-kape. Uy! Tumingin talaga yung hindi ko, oh. Oh, sus, 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 sus. Kadinig lang ng good morning. Sabi niya, may ako, me. I wanna talk to the guys. Oh, hey. Hi, guys. Do you like the guys? You like the guys? Yes? That's mommy's coffee. Say good morning, guys. Hey? Mwah. Mommy's gonna get ready and then we will go. Where are we going? Where are we going? I-double check ko muna anong oras mag-o-open. Kasi magbibihis lang ako, ready na ako. Welcome Asia. Kasi sabi ko nga kahapon, di ba, punta tayo ngayon sa Welcome Asia to pick up my donuts. Nag-order ako ng donuts, guys. They open every day at 9 in the morning. So that's perfect. It's 8:19. Kakaalis lang ni Daddy at saka ni Ayla. Siguro alis kami ng mga 9 para hindi ganun ka-traffic. Kasi school drop-off. No. Ikaw nakalingan talaga, oh. Where's your water? You got your water, Robert. Nakabihis na yan siya kasi nagpuna siya. So ready na yan si Indy. Ako na lang at saka si Kuya. Yep, all of those, please. To the laundry.
Oh, this?
Yep.
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
This?
And that, yep.
And this?
Yeah, sige. Yeah, come on, Indy. You can do it one at a time.
This are two hands.
2 hands, yep. Indy wants to help. Look, she's coming! She wants to help you! You don't have to bring every... Okay. Thank you! Go. Sige na, so mommy can load it. Good boy! Thank you! Thank you. Can you help Indy? Yeah. You play with her, okay? I'll do the laundry. Okay. You play with her. I know. She's walking. She wants to go for a walk. Go help her. I'll go play with her. Go, guys! Ay, ang cute ng dalawa. Ang cute. Go play with her, ha? Dami naming labahin na naman! Ano lang ako, 1 load, and then, pagbalik natin tapos na yan. So, very good na yan. Ito yung suot ni Daddy kagabi. Hindi ko nakita yung suot niya kagabi kasi pagdating ko kahapon, wala na siya. Ganda naman ito. Bilhan ko siya ng more nito. Uniqlo pala to eh. Gwapo pala ng Daddy natin kagabi. Yes? Yeah, of course we're bringing Indy. Yay! We can't leave her. Who made a mess? Not you? You made a mess with the shoes? What happened? You did not make a mess? Yeah? You made a house? Really? That is so cool. You made it with the blocks? That's amazing. Alright, lip tint lang tayo and then alis na tayo, guys. This is from Tier, I think. Yung maliit na lip tint. Di ba walang salamin-salamin? Ito lang yung nakita ko sa bag ko eh. Nice. Very subtle. It's the Tear Tear Water Resin Glow Tint. Honey Nut yung shade. Cute. Alright, let's go. Wait, ha? My key. What happened? Did she? Alright. Where's the backpack? Indy will not need a feed, but I'll bring milk just in case. Alright. Hello? Do you want strawberries? Is it raining? Oh no, it's the washing. My gosh. Akala ko ang lakas ng... Is it raining? It's not. It's actually really nice outside. It's nice and sunny. Si Indy gusto nang gumala. Dalhin ko lang to sa car. Para sa car na niya kainin. Kasi hindi pa nakapagprutas. Ang aga pa kasi. Nakatapos nila kumain ng breakfast. Here. Here you go. Where? Did you bring the car seat in?
No.
Where is it?
Here.
You did? Yeah, thank you. Hindi ko alam kung yung camera yung natawa siya or kasi gala na naman siya. Car seat naman siya. Alright, kuya, come on. Shoes. Put it back. Good boy. You put your shoes on yourself. You need help? Use your words, Alo. Can't talk. He can't talk. He's got strawberry in his mouth. You know why he can't talk? He can't talk. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Ready? Alright, let's go. Oh, heavy. Alright, kuya. In the middle, you sit in the middle, okay? Here you go. Go in the middle. Are you ready? Oh, 1, 2, sit down, mate. In the middle. In the middle, so you're close to Indy. You ready? Runny nose? Alright, let's wipe you. Just wait, just wait. Okay. Other side. Right here. Blow. You look guapo, ano? Guapo boy. Or do you want me to put it here? I'll put it here, okay?
Yes,
That's
and
yours.
thank you, Peter.
You're welcome.
Why you dropped down?
No, it won't.
No, buddy.
Sorry?
It
It won't.
did.
Hmm? Do you want the roof open or closed? Do you like it open like that? It's not hot, is it? Okay. Ah, it's 9:01. We're very early. Alo ready?
Yeah.
Indy ready?
Yeah.
Mommy ready?
I just drop it.
What?
I just drop it.
What did you drop? What is it? Strawberries? Okay, just wait. Let me grab. Oh. Okay. Wait, what do you want to do with it? You want to hold it? Yeah, put it on your leg. And hold it. That's good. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah.
Good boy. Hi.
Is it right over there, Bobby?
Alright, let's listen to music, okay?
Don't just baby.
Oh, this is a good song. Let you go. Dito na kami. Tingnan nyo naman to. Gising na gising. Ay, ang sarap ng sapsap. I know. You're awake! Sus, buyag, Inday. Yung sapsap, yan yung gusto ko. Ay, yung dudong ko, kumakain na ng popcorn. Is it yummy? It's okay, Indy. Bakit ka kasi hindi natulog? Oh. Hello. 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 Okay, okay. Marami na ako nakuha, guys. Alright, wait. Where's your dum-dum? Come on, get some sleep. Meron pa silang mga dried fish dito, o yung wala sa freezer. Ano ba to? Ano yan? Galunggong. Galunggong pinakas. Uy! Hindi pwedeng mag-stop, bae. Hindi pwede tumingin. Eh. 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 Ayun. We need skyflakes. Asan yung skyflakes? Skyflakes. Andito sa taas. Alo. Here. Get, 2. Here, alo boy. Gusto to ng mga bata eh. Ako na lang. Busy ka pala dyan. Andan dalawa din ito. I know, girl. Goro sa hindi. Ah, Mr. Chips, my favorite. Okay. Shh. Bakit ka kasi hindi natulog? Tulog ka dyan. Hindi. Ang kainaan ko. Just gonna check my list.
I not did this already.
You wanna eat that now?
I want to say I like your mud.
Okay. Nasa list ako growers, but wala ako nakita. Nakatawa na naman tong isa. Okay, we're finished. Alright. Hello. I ordered the donuts as well. Yeah, thank you. You don't have the growers nuts?
Oh no.
No.
Supply finished.
Oh, yeah.
From last 2 deliveries, if you can we keep ordering.
Oh, yeah? It's popular.
Yeah.
That's good.
Some item.
I'll just try these ones. What's this? Hello? Say thank you. What do you say? What do you say? I'll give you the bags first. I'll pay for the donuts this time, okay? I blocked your car. Oh. Okay. No, he's gonna move it. Kaya natin yan. Dalan ko mo park sa food kay doon ra. May mga chikiting. Oh yeah, sorry. I'll open that for you now.
Sino ko gamitin ang gamay? Pilisip ka yung ano ko. Sa kaya iba ng space ba?
Yeah, oh, makilusod ako eh. Right here. You paying for this already? Okay, good boy. School. Yeah. So, inig ka term 3, everyday na to siya. Ay, reception na siya. Karon ko pa man siya Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Gahapon na abot ang donut? Kanina pa kami nasa bahay. Tulog si Indy pa uwi dito. Pagdating ng bahay, nagising. So, pinakain ko, tinry ko patulugin. Ayaw talaga matulog. So, nandyan na ulit siya. Tapos, pagdating ko din ng bahay, dumating na yung ano ni Daddy, food. So, ito yung Muscle Chef na meals. Available siya sa Woolies, ata sa Foodland. Pero pwede din magpa-deliver. So, it comes in this, the box. Tapos, ito. And then, may mga ice packs. And I think samputo. Yeah. So, mga ganyan ng mga meals, guys. Si Dan pumili na itong mga to. Ayan. Yeah. Iba-ibang putali lang. Yeah. And okay naman yung lasa kasi syempre, nagtagal si Dan. Ilang ano na siya dito? Buwan na ata? Or more than buwan na? Ayan. So, Daddy's got 10. Hindi siya nakaka-stick ng sobrang strict na ganito. Kasi lunch niya, normal na lunch niya kapag nasa labas siya. Ito pang dinner lang talaga. Tapos minsan kapag meron siyang dinner out with a client, syempre hindi niya naman ito dala-dala like last night. Pero most of the time, ito talaga yung dinner ni Dan. Tapos ito, mga nabili natin sa Filipino shop. Ayan. Yung in-order ko is puro choco butternut. But yung nabigay ni Kuya is mixture ng lahat. Tapos napansin ko siya, nasa bahay na ako, guys. So, we've got 2 bags full. Alright. Meron na, na-open na. Kumuha na si Arlo. Paborito ni Arlo yung mga nuts na mga snacks. And bumili din ako cupcake. Wala na, naka-open na din ang isa. Kumain na din ang isa si Dudong. And then, meron tayong 2 bags. So, ubos na yung OTAP ko. So, I just got 2 OTAPs. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano ditong brand yung masarap eh. So, kinuha ko na lang yung 2. Isang Laura's, tapos isang Magic Milk na OTAP. Yung ibang OTAP kasi matigas. Yung gusto ko, yung very crumbly na yung flaky, alam mo yun? Flaky naman sila, kaya lang yung iba matitigas. 2 Skyflakes na chocolate at saka 2 kondensada. Ito gusto to ng mga kids. And then ito try ko siya, guys. Cocoa powder for hot chocolate. And then I also got this one, chocolate. Hot chocolate din to. Naalala ko kasi yung Sikwati sa Cebu. Parang ganito yung amoy niya eh. So, ito, hindi ko maamoy, but it's just unsweetened cocoa powder. So, lagay lang natin ng milk. Bumili ako isang flakes and oil nut century tuna. Kasi meron pa ako dyan eh. And then ito, bago nila to. Ang laki niya. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to, but it's the calamansi extract. Pero mas malaki kaysa sa gamit-gamit ko ngayon. So, kapag nagmamarinate ka, ayan, malaki. Maganda. And I also got hopia. And then, ito din. Gusto din ko ng mga bata na snacks. 2 cracklings. Ito na. Ay! Tuyo, guys. Ito yung favorite kong tuyo. Sapsap. I love sapsap. I got this one. Potato fries. And then, tender juicy na mini bites. Bumili ako 3 kasi wala na kaming hotdog sa freezer. Second and last bag. Ay, mga chips na to. Clover chips. Kasi wala na talaga ako. Ubos na yung chips ko. Lahat. Nova. Yung isa pang dingdong. Yan talaga yung pinakaunang kinuha ni Arlo. Pagpasok namin, sabi niya, Mami, dingdong, kumuha siya. And then I got this. I remember masarap to siya. Tapos doon, nakasale siya, guys. 95 cents. Chinek ko yung expiration date. December pa naman yung expiration date. December 2025. 2025 tayo, di ba? Yeah. So, bumili akong 3. Kasi 95 cents na lang siya. On sale. O, diba? May pa-sale sila CZ dun. Mr. Chips. Bumili ako nitong boy bawang na peanuts. Ito-try ko lang siya. Hinahanap ko yung growers, kaya lang ubusan daw talaga yung growers. Snack ko, isa. And I got the kids' favorite chips. Cheese ring. So, nung nalaman ni Ayla kanina na pupunta kami ng Filipino shop, sabi niya, Mami, please don't forget my cheese ring. So, yan. Ito, binigay nila kay Arlo. Chupo na. Kumain natin si Arlo nito ng isa. Dami na nakain ni Arlo today ng mga nabili natin. Alright. So, lahat ng ito ay $175. I-include niya ba yung donut? Yeah. Yeah, so yan lahat, $175.70. Mga ano lang yan, mga snacks, mga chips. Yung ulam, hotdog lang at saka ito ba? I know, she's awake. Silly girl. Alright, let's put it away.
What is it with?
Wala na. Our Filipino pantry is fully stocked.
Mom made a mess.
You made a mess? That's okay. You clean up the mess.
Mommy, I don't up here.
No, down, down, down.
I don't want to.
It's close to 6 na ng gabi. And I am cooking tuyo. Yung danggit. Cebu danggit, guys. Ako na talaga. Kasi umalis si Dan, dinala niya yung mga bata kasi kailangan niya bumili ng toner for his printer. So, sabi niya, ako na bahala sa mga bata. Siya na daw bahala sa dinner. So, feeling ko dadalhin niya ng wakas yung papakainin niya ng dinner. Kasi sabi ko, wag mong isama. Kasi kailangan nilang kumain na. Kasi kailangan nilang matulog ng maaga. Alam mo yun, kasi bukas school ni Ayla. Sabi niya, ako na bahala sa dinner ng mga bata. Yung dalawang bata lang pala. Kasi meron ako isang natira dito na alpaca-grumpy. So, nagluluto ako ng... Wait sa. Hindi ka ta pwedeng kargahin, Bob, kasi nagluluto ako. Meron akong dito. Itlog na may ampalaya. Lalagay ko lang siya dyan. Magkakamay sana ako. So, kasi umalis siya. Dali-dali ako luto nito. Tuyo. Pero maaamoy din naman niya pagdating niya. Sinindihan ko yung dalawang kandila ko dito. Naka-blast yung aking exhaust. Hindi naman siya sobrang maamoy. But yeah, hindi kasi sila sanay. So nakaamoy nila. Oh my gosh, guys. So that's my ulam. Itlog na may ampalaya. And then yung mga yan. Danggit. Kain. Someone wants me. Wait sa. Ay, nako.